Hey, it's Oskar here. I'm a product marketing manager at GetResponse, and in this video I'm going to show you how easily you can add a call to action button to your email using GetResponse Email Creator, and also how to analyze your email performance using built-in statistics and Google Analytics integration. The call to action, CTA, is the most important element of your email or landing page. It informs your contacts and visitors about what you expect them to do. Let's get started. To build your email, you can start from scratch or you can use one of our pre-designed templates. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize an existing template. I have chosen this cool Black Friday one, but as you can see, there is this great looking header. I can populate it with my own content and messaging here, but so far my recipients will have no clue what I want them to do. We need to make it easy by adding a CTA button here to your email content. Simply drag and drop it to your preferred place. We want to make sure that people see it right after they open your email, so I'm putting it here in the header. On the right hand side you have multiple customization options, so your email and button go well with the overall design. Put your CTA text here. It's the most important part because here we tell people what we want them to do. It's a Black Friday template, so I want them to go shopping. In the URL field, provide a link to your website or online shop. After clicking your button, people will land exactly at this place and will be able to browse and check your offer. I want to change my button shape. And as you can see, this blue background does not go well with the design, so I can change the color here. I think I will go with transparent one, but now on this dark background I have lost borders of the button. Go to advanced settings here, choose the pattern and choose your preferred color. I think white looks quite okay. And now we have our button ready. We have the clear message, link to our website, and it looks well with the overall design. After sending your email, how you can tell if it actually has made any impact? There are two ways to do it. You can analyze specific email statistics by finding it on the newsletter list. Click the drop-down menu on the right-hand side and select statistics. You can see here how many people have received your email, how many opened it, and how many people actually clicked the button we've created. If you're looking for more advanced analytics, you can integrate your GetResponse account with Google Analytics. Integrations are available here in the drop-down menu on the left-hand side, in the Integrations and API tab. Here you can find Google Analytics. To connect two platforms, simply copy your Google Analytics ID to GetResponse and provide all the information you want to track. All the data on your email's performance will be safely stored in your Google Analytics account. By analyzing your email's performance, you can learn what works best for your audience and use those insights in your next email campaign to make your call to action button even more impactful. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching.